Yes, 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 yes. The general is here. Yes, yes, he sure is. Hear me now, no nation people. Right about now, We see Buju and the man them come out and claim say well then them a bash the young artists them because them a say well then artists now drop no good song or me no know if a the trap thing where I get to them or me no know if a true skilly bang. You know what I mean? Turn up the trap thing internationally. Me no know. But here what me gonna say right now. Nation people. We're not too into the contrary thing, because we don't know how we represent already. Real way, Gaza way, ain't no other way. You see what I'm saying? But what I'm saying right now, how much good song on the ear Vybz Cartel drop, my brother. You see what I'm saying? How much good song on the ear Vybz Cartel drop. And song where some teachable moment. Some song where, you know what I mean? The selector them, fair give them song the highlight in a dancehall, the disc jockey, fair give them song the highlight on the radio, and uno as artists, where uno claim uno downgrade other artists where uno now repost back them song there, pound the channel, and I show the people them say yeah them type of music they uno work with. Yo, first and foremost, man. Big up the general Vybz Cartel. Because the general never left the youth them out tight yet. The general ever work with the youth them. Ever give them collaboration. You see me? Whether male or female. You see what I say? The general ever try him best for help out the genre and music. And help push it further and further. But you what I say right about now. Uno as big artists. Una say, well then the youth them thing, nah, no, up to full standard, a lightness. So what I'm saying, una ever call up none of them youth and try for do no collaboration with them in a full way, the way how una think it's right. Una ever give it a try? Hmm? Because you can't stay over there, say now, and I point finger over here, say now. Say no matter where all the good speech and the terrific argument it's about, my brother. If you got uncle and make talk, nah, you not put no action behind it, No at all can work like that, my virgin. Because no one no magician, where they say shit and thing happen. You see what I say? So, what I'm saying then, if you don't feel like say well then, here we go on. Our style of music are the best are the best style of music for worldwide. You don't have to a draw for some of them young sensation artists there. The new sensation artists them. You see what I say? And do some collaboration with them in a full way, full style, and show them say, yo, see it yeah, and that are the thing. You know what I mean? But if we don't go do that, and only attack, it go just sound like critics, No joke shit not dead about it, Cause I know how me's a man act already, Me's a man not represent no form of lollipop way, We don't know a Gaza way, Ain't no fucking other way, No joke shit not dead about it, So I'm saying like, if I say, well then, I be a crap music them the artist them a drop. See? And I be a crap rhythm the producer them a make give the youth them. Draw for the youth them. The young sensation them. And link phone producer who build phone type of beat, see? And collaborate with the youth them. Not only talk, show them. And show them say that's right there. You know what I mean? Not until you can do them thing there. Before you can burn out the youth them music with them other. Because it may be not hitting the international market the way how some of the older artists them song used to do. But right now, it a work for them. Because guess what? It a feed them and them mother and them youth and them pitney them, man. You see what I say? It a feed them, You see what I say? So if you have to cut off a man feeding tree, my brother, or you want to stop a man, from eating, or you stop a man from eat that particular way, You have to go show him, the way how him can eat, where it not affect nobody then, You see what I say? No joke shit not that about it, because if you go eat a certain type of way, and people are going to have a problem with it. Because remember what them are doing are illegal, my virgin. Remember no illegal activity that mix up, So I'm saying, if the man them, I gotta say the youth them, I fuck up the music in terms of the rhythm where them sing pan, or the style, the flow and the whole chemistry where them sing and a DJ under. You know what I mean? I wanna say, well then, that not right. We don't have to bring the right thing then to the youth them, my brother. Or not bring the right thing to the youth them. We can't stay over there and talk, my brother. Then get involved. Make us do some work now. Too much of the talking thing. Make us do some work. We need to see the work. Vybz Kartel are the only artist me see, my brother. You know what I mean? Who get up, and afraid to do collaboration with no young artist at all, You see what I say? Once, him fit the criteria, or she, No joke thing not about it, So I'm saying now, if una go blame it upon the trap music then, una have to show the youth them the way, my brother. Them not gonna listen to the talking alone. You see what I say? And not every man learn by just you reasoning with him or show him a point of view, my brother. Sometimes the quickest way for some people learn are for actually show them the material evidence, my brother. Show them the physical work. You see what I say? Show them the thing verbally. So Una and the artists them need for do collaboration in a phone style. For a phone type of rhythm. What Una like, or the rhythm them who Una claim inner demands to international people ears. And make us see the outcome. Then, you see what I say? And if the outcome successful, you tell the youth them, say, see there. And that me I tell you about, And that's the thing there, You see what I say? But I can't tell the youth them, say, well then, what them do a crap, and that feed him. And that feed him family. You see what I say? Our hard thing that's fair do, And no joke shit that. Yeah, but me I say, if you need them for stop, you have to show them the way, man. You know that Caesar say? Him song show them the way to be sanctified, fire blaze, man, nah cool, no. So no show the youth them, my brother. You know what I mean? No joke shit not dead about it. Because I am saying when Vybz Kartel do some remarkable song, some learning experience, some teachable moment, me say when the world boss, the teacher himself in the classroom and I teach, you see what I say? Real life history and real life function where I go out there in a to the world. Me not see no other artists a post it on them platform. Me not see the disc jockey them on the radio I push up them song there. And me not see the selector them. I go around all over the place which part them keep party and dancehall and talk wicked about them song there before them drop it on the crowd. You see what I say? Nobody now go around and hype up them song there, but it's like everybody have a problem with it, with the way the youth them are deliver now. You see what I say? I not cursing 90s dancehall, cause remember, me, I'm gonna grow up on them shit there. I want to tell you, to me, I think of the best time that in my life where party concern or even music, you know what I mean? To the type of enjoyment where it bring, you understand me? And the togetherness, you see what I say? Because everybody have to remember this. after the 80 election, you see what I say? And the whole heap of brutality go on in the street when it come to political affair. You see what I say? And political violence. Just try remember, say, and music and sports bring back the country and even the people them together. You see what I say? Because I'm a junglist. I no gimmicks thing no dead about that. And when them thing there attack occur, we's a man we end up start even go all at Tivoli Garden and go watch match. Just because them say peace treaty and just because them a say sports and entertainment. You see what I say? So no gimmicks thing na the in my game. You see what I say? Big up the general Vybz cartel every time because some man only attack and not putting in the work. You know what I mean? For prove it. And I go say, big up to Shabdan. You see what I say? For bust off in case. You see what I say? And feel real comfortable in yourself now, Shabba, where you can continue to do some big work. Bless up yourself and bless up your local soldier too, where get charged for necessary. You see what I say? Respect. At the general, you know, the 10-star one, I represent. What?